Have you ever wondered how such a small creature as a tick could pose a potentially life-threatening danger? Tiny yet treacherous, ticks are notorious for transmitting diseases like Lyme disease and Rocky Mountain spotted fever. Lurking in grassy and wooded areas, they silently latch onto unsuspecting humans and pets. Their size belies their danger, making us overlook the peril they present. But fear not, survival is indeed possible, and we're about to reveal how. Now, let's delve into the process of surviving a tick attack. First up is prevention. When you're venturing into tick-prone territories, be sure to gear up appropriately. That means long sleeves, long pants, and a good slathering of tick repellent can be your best defense against these pesky parasites. Next, detection is critical. After your outdoor adventures, always perform a thorough tick check. These critters can be as small as a poppy seed, so keep a keen eye out. Then comes removal. If you find a tick, don't panic. Using fine-tipped tweezers, grasp the tick as close to your skin's surface as possible and pull upward with steady, even pressure. Be careful not to twist or jerk the tick, as this can cause parts to break off and remain in the skin. Finally, post-removal, cleanse the bite area with soap and water and monitor for any unusual symptoms. Remember, quick action and proper removal are the keys to surviving a tick attack. In this brief span of time, we've uncovered the hidden dangers of ticks and the steps for surviving a tick attack. We've learned the importance of prevention, staying vigilant in tick-prone areas, and using protective clothing. We've explored how to detect ticks early and the right way to remove them. Let's not forget the crucial post-removal care to avoid complications. Stay safe out there, and remember, knowledge is your best defense against ticks. Subscribe and share this video to help spread the word.